Hello beauty people, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can instantly speed up your WordPress website in one click. So as you can see, I have speed up my site and the current score is 91 and it's for mobile and it's for desktop. So for speed up our site I will use a plugin. So let's get started. This is our site and its current speed is for mobile it's 25 and for desktop it's 35. So let's improve it. So first of all, we are going to download a plugin and we are going to download this plugin, and this is free. Just click on download for free and it's downloading. Now go back our WordPress dashboard and here plugins and add new plugins. Now I am going to upload the plugin. Just upload plugins and here choose the plugin. And we have downloaded this plugin. Just select this and open. Install now. And it's installed, and now click on activate plugin and it's activate. Now on the left panel here you can see this option. Now scroll down and here you can see accelerator. Just click on that. Now click on settings and here you can see begin setup wizard. Just click on that. Now we need to set up this plugin. What functionality is it needed? So select full functionality. Just tick mark this and click next. Now here you can see it's better to be sure that the plugin works correctly at this site. So this plugin will check this compatibility. This plugin will check theme and plugin compatibility and check asynchronous task execution and checking maximum execution time and memory limit and checking page optimization request. After that, checking page external caching. So now let's click on start self diagnosis. Now it will be automatically checked. Okay, now click on next. Now which optimization mode do you need? So here you can see three options: always the high score, always up-to-date content. So if you are always update your content, then select this, and if you don't update always your site, then select this. So I am going to select this. Now click on next. Now here you can see what is the performance of site hosting. It means processor. So if you are good hosting, then select high. If you are share hosting, then select medium or low. In my case, I am using share hosting, that's why I am just selecting the low. Now click on next. Is the layout for the site universal for all type of device? Let's select universal or adaptive. Click on next. If you use CDN, then enter the link. If you don't use, just select this. Now click on next. Finally, select the run optimization of all site pages and click finish. Okay. Now click on save changes. Now if I check my site score on Google page speed and let's analyze. And here you go, we have got 95 score on mobile, and on the desktop version we have got 92 score. Now let's check on GT matrix, retest. On the GT matrix we have got A grade. Now let's check our site on Pingdom. On the Pingdom we have got this score. So this is how you can speed up your WordPress site by using Accelerator plugin. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.